How to create Instagram broadcast channel. So if you want to create broadcast channel on your Instagram, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. On the right top you will see messenger icon, click on it. Now again you will see pen icon on the right top, and here you will see create group chat or create a broadcast channel. So you want to create a broadcast channel, so simply you have to click on the create broadcast channel. But in case if it's not showing you how channel, create broadcast channel, so simply you have to go back and convert your account to professional or the creator account. And if your problem not solved after this, simply go back and open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will search for it, simply update your Instagram mobile application from here, and then try to find the broadcast channel or try to create broadcast channel. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.